This is Riley with Best Pro Trade. I am long 2 contracts on the CL. I put my entry a couple of ticks above this double support at the lower band. You can see on the trading panel the downtrend is weak. Got double support, so I put my entry 2 ticks above it. And my first target is just below the mid band, and I've got the second target just pushed out of the way. So let's see what happens. Okay, the price is pushing up, and I'm going to put my stop at a break even. The price almost came back and stopped me out. Still have one red sell bullet on the trading panel, and the multi-BBTs, the institutional traders are even, and we have some amateurs trying to push the market down. Okay, the U.S. market just opened up. It's 9:30, 9:31. You can tell, you can see in the middle of the monitor, I have the time stamp, and it will correspond to the computer clock in the bottom right-hand corner. And 9:31. Chart says 9:31, computer clock says 9:31, and the timestamp says 9:31. I'm on a free trade, so I'm just going to hang in there and see what happens. I have a sell signal, one red sell bullet on the left side. This is the longer time frames, and I have a sell signal, sell bullet in the 2, the 4, and the 6 time frame charts. So the downtrend is weak right now, so I'm just going to hang in there and see what happens. Okay, now the trading panel has no red bullets. Got a report coming out at 10 o'clock. Consumer sentiment comes out at 10. I'm going to move my first target down a couple of ticks. I'm going 2 ticks below the mid band and the precision trend line. And my first target's been filled. I'm going to leave my stop just 2 ticks above my entry, and I'll see if I can move my second target. But right now I'm just going to leave it at 60.31. It is 20 minutes before 10, so I'm still going to hang in there, see what happens. Okay, the price is trading above the mid band and that floating fib. I'm just going to move my stop up a couple of ticks, maybe 1 tick, and just put it below that pivot. Now I've got a buy signal on the trading panel. I have 3 green buy bullets. Multi-BBTs seem to still be a little flat, favoring the buying side. I was trying to see if I needed to move my target, and I really didn't see a resistance line up there. Yeah, well, I didn't even see that outside the band. Oh man. Just because the resistance line stopped painting doesn't mean it's not there, and I just, for some reason, my eyes did not catch that, but you can see where the price went, and I was looking for it and didn't see it. But I'm happy with the profit I made. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, I made 63 ticks on 2 contracts long on the CL. Okay, to go over my trade, I put my entry a couple of ticks above the double support line, and you can see I got it filled at 2 ticks above it. And let me put the crosshairs up. The entry was at 59.87, and that was my entry. And I had my first target 2 ticks below the mid band at 60.05, and my second target was at 60.32. For the lower, you got double resistance, and I feel bad by not moving it, but I was looking for it. If you'll review the video, you can see that I was pulling this together to see where I could move it, and I didn't see that. But that resistance line does have a floating fib with it, so that would have been an ideal spot at the upper band. So I would have gone from the lower band to the upper band on one trade. This is Riley with Best Pro Trade, wishing you the best in all your trading.